In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create products in Shopify with variants. Whether you're setting up an online store from scratch or expanding your existing product range, these steps will guide you in adding new products efficiently while incorporating all necessary variants like sizes, colors, and more. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate the Products section on the sidebar. Clicking on this will take you to a list of all your current inventory. Here, we're going to focus on adding a new product. So go ahead and click on the Add Product button towards the top right corner of the page. This will open up a new product entry form where you can fill in all the necessary details for your new item. Now let's start by giving your product a title. Choose something descriptive and engaging, as this will be the first impression your customers will have of the product. Think of keywords that not only describe the product, but might also help in boosting your SEO. Next, you'll find the description box. This is where you can go into detail about your product's features, benefits, and any other pertinent information that might persuade a customer to make a purchase. This is your chance to really sell the product and address potential customer questions. Next, look for the status section. This is where you can determine whether your product is available or if it's going to be published at a later date. Setting this correctly ensures customers see only the products you want them to see. Now we're going to add media. The media section is crucial because visuals play a major role in online shopping. Upload high-quality images or videos that best showcase your product. Consider different angles and close-ups that highlight key features to provide the customer with a thorough understanding of what you're offering. Moving on to the categories, be sure to assign your product to the most relevant category or collection. This helps in keeping your store organized and makes it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. For products with multiple versions, such as different sizes or colors, head over to the Variants section. This is where the versatility of your product catalog shines. Click on Add options like size or color to begin defining the different variations your product will have. You can add as many options as needed here. For example, if you're selling a shirt, you can include sizes, colors, and even fit style, such as slim or regular. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and are happy with how everything looks, review your product entry to ensure there are no mistakes. Finally, save your work and your new product with variants will be ready for your customers to explore. Follow these steps, and creating compelling and organized listings will become a breeze. Happy selling!